Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook dating not showing on iPhone. So if you open Facebook and click on more at the bottom right, then over here you can see your Facebook dating option. But if you're facing similar problem as me, as you guys can see, I'm not seeing the Facebook dating problem. Let me show you how you guys can fix it. First thing is you want to go inside your phone setting. From over here you want to go on where it says general. From inside general you want to click on where it says iPhone storage. And from over here wait for some time and make it load up completely. Once its loading is complete, find Facebook and click on Facebook and click on offload app and click on offload. Once you offload your Facebook app, click on reinstall app and your Facebook will start to reinstall. Once your reinstallation is complete, open up Facebook and it should be resetted. Now try to go into more to again find your dating option. It should work. But in your case, if it still did not work, then you need to do this. Go in your browser, doesn't matter whatever browser it is, and search for countries Facebook dating is available in. Search for this. Once you search for it, it's going to give you the list of country where Facebook dating is available over here. And you just have to scroll through the list over here and see if your country is available. So my country is Nepal and Nepal is not in this list, as you guys can see. So I cannot use this. So if your country is also not in the list, then you cannot do anything to use it. You just have to go to a country where it's available. These are the way on how you guys can fix your Facebook dating not showing issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.